Hello! Today we're doing a video on this tour of Kdenlive. Kdenlive can get from Kdenlive.org. So if you want pictures in Kdenlive, there's kind of many video editors. You can resize pictures to whatever size you want them, the massive you make them smaller you can get them. But we're going to put them up probably a tiny bit shorter than that maybe. So I'm going to show you. I just want to listen to this. This is the evolution of death. It will show it. And then let's grab this tool, which is this you use to cut things. Come back here. Move this down here. And then just watch it. This is the evolution of death. It will show in it. This is going to be Kdenlive tutorial, part of Kdenlive tutorial anyway. And now we're going to show you how you can get the evolution of death to appear in the corner of the video. Here. You can make it appear in the corner. So you just search position and zoom. And then you bring it down here. Come here. And then you put it down here and then you can move it to wherever you like. And this works with videos as well, you can put anything there. And then it will show you the video in the corner, so if you've got like a face or something. This is the evolution of death. It will show in a minute. This is going to be Kdenlive tutorial, part of Kdenlive tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how you can put like videos in front of it as well. I don't really want the audio to be in this, so then all you do is you put the sound working up here, and then just go mute. And you can drag it here. Then you drag this down.
Have you shown them how to do text?
Here.
Have you shown them how
Yeah,
to
I'm going to show you how to add text. And then, once you've done that, you just get position and zoom by going here. Here.
What does that do? I haven't used that.
It makes you have one in the corner. Something like that.
What do you mean one in the corner?
One video in a corner. Like different videos in a corner.
Oh, okay. It's a really good recording.
It will show you.
It's probably the best in our opinion.
Yeah, so this is Kdenlive. Now I'm going to show you how you can add text. I'm just going to delete all of these because I'm going to show you how to add text to this and make it say it's stupid to this. You need to just make sure on this one here, this is for all audio things. This is for all video. And then you need to search text. I'll come up with this. Drag it here. Drag this there. So the first thing you want to do is here it's got time code. Here you make it so it'll have like a time code which will make it show the time of the video so far and other stuff like that. You make it say here. Or if you don't want it to say any of that, you can just type stuff in randomly. Just make sure time code is from there. And type anything. Type this screen is annoying. Just put.
Let's click off a bit.
Yeah. But then we'll say just there, but if you want to move it, you just click this button there and you can move it.
To make it bigger.
And to make it bigger, you need to scroll up somewhere here and pick a size. Whatever size you want. This is a good like video editor for beginners especially.
Now change the colour. Background colour, foreground colour, just change the thing behind it really.
This
and then background colour.
Blue.
Yep.
So you can go pick screen colour and then select that. Okay.
We'll change it to blue and then look that's a lot better.
It's gone.
And then Then if you just want the foreground colour, that's the actual colour of the thing.
Make it be yellow or white to match the other, I think you want.
Don't make it blue because then you won't be able to see it.
Yeah.
It's a useful tip there.
So yeah. This
No,
should
you
be
should.
boring. And then if you want to like blur stuff, we haven't actually figured out how you can blur a box, but we know how to blur the whole screen. So we use search blur. You put blocks there. It don't actually do it as a box.
Maybe it might be blur then.
And then if you scroll down here, we'll allow you to do the blur factor. So you can make it really blurry, you can make it only be a tiny bit blurry.
If you see one of our videos, we blurred something out because it had something we didn't want.
Yeah.
That was the snipping tool that was called one, wasn't it?
Yes. But the only annoying thing is that we might actually have to figure it out now. If we go like no, we haven't figured out how to do it yet. Don't know what that is.
We need to change them, show them how to change it to different videos. But what are these things? Dissolvers things.
Oh yeah, and now you can get so it changes through
Dissolve.
things. You go to transitions, dissolve, is one of our favourites.
And then play it from the beginning, and you'll see that it changes.
Will be dissolve. And this will be appearing in the corner probably now just up here. The mouse is the see it. And then now this is the so yeah.
And
Marvellous
also,
video editor, isn't it?
yeah, no, don't end it yet. We might have some other stuff to do.
What else?
We'll see what darken is.
Yeah, that's just another transition. You can play it this was install it from the Kdenlive.org. Follow the instructions and to install it. It's quite easy actually.
Yeah, and you can also put music on it. So.
Yeah, you put music on it if you find something from anything from YouTube.
Yeah, so
Which
there
is
might
not
be
copyright sounds.
So there is. What's the other one? There's another one. There's another one like this, which does similar stuff to this as well.
There'll be in transitions. It doesn't matter. You can find it yourself. Or you can also put on fast motion and freeze it.
Can you speed it up and slow it? How do you slow it down?
You can do to put speed. You can do it here, and then if you want it slower, move it down here. Then make it go really fast. Now if you come back here.
You can just drag in a white picture. Drag in a white picture if you want to make a startup thing, saying what video it is, and then just write what it is on it.
See that? Tell me it's a fast. You go. Make it sound really squeaky.
You can't get Dumb Kid, can you?
No.
Yeah, Dumb Kid is what we use for a lot of our videos.
Yeah, Dumb Kid.
It's our white background.
Yeah.
Which we use.
So yeah, that's our tutorial. The video should be appearing up there now. Bye.
You'll see Dumb Kid in all of our videos.
Yeah, you see it quite a lot in our videos appearing. It's a feature of Kdenlive. Bye. Once you've done it, click render. Oh no, oh dear, no, we got the machine on deck.